Hey everyone, so this is a short video to understand how we can create short videos in very less time to post on our social media channels. So we know videos are a great source to improve traffic on our website or social media channels. But like me, I know there will be a lot of people out there who don't want to show their face and create videos. So for such people, there are a lot of tools which can create faceless videos, which you can use to post on your website to promote your products or promote your personal branding. There are a lot of YouTubers who have created faceless YouTube channels, to promote these kind of videos. So if they can do it, why cannot we? So that's when I started exploring these kind of tools, and there are a lot of AI tools in the market now. The first one which I heard was Invideo.io. This is one good tool, AI tool, which will generate videos also if you give them a topic. So ask AI to make a video, it will generate. So this is actually a good one. I played around with the basic version, but I don't know, somehow maybe the internet issues or maybe the software issues. It was taking longer time to load to generate the script. So I didn't feel it very user friendly. And after that, maybe I came to another tool which is called Kapwing.com. So if you see, both these versions are actually free initially for you to play around with, and they have a lot of collection of royalty free images and videos. You can make n number of videos, so you can always play around with it. Only thing is, if you download the video, there'll be a watermark on it. I don't think that should be an issue to start off creating videos. And if you are worried about watermarks, then you can maybe use some other tools to remove the watermark, or you can then go for the pro version. So pro version is like, the pricing is not that uh, too much. If it is like per monthly, it is like 24. Uh, if it is monthly, it is 24, but if it is billed annually, you have to pay like $16, which I feel is a decent price for us to start. If you have royalty free images and videos, then that's a great thing, right? If you're so much passionate about video editing, because you can also even design, like if you're using Canva for things, you can also design like one time all these images also. So you can do both image designing and video editing in one tool, right? Which is a great thing. So I tried out the basic version here, and then I bought the pro plan. Sometimes there is an issue of taking time to load the script and all, but still I feel it's a good tool for me, because it's amazing when it creates videos in less than 5 minutes and all that. I can just put videos running in the background, and I can just go and do my work. So let's start creating projects. So if you see, you can see here canvas size. So it's basically based on all the social media canvas sizes. There's for LinkedIn, YouTube, meme generators, Instagram post, TikTok or Instagram story, or you can upload here your own, videos if you have taken, and then start playing with the timeline. So now I want to show here, type any topic to create content with Kapwing AI. So it's similar to the NVIDIA thing. It's asking the AI to generate a script. So now I want to create a video script about, so I can put a topic here. So I want to create something on benefits of walking. Okay. Now, you can also set the script duration here. So make sure you keep your videos very short, because people are not interested in longer videos, because these are all general topics. They would know very well about these things. It's just that you're trying to engage your audience more to your channels. So I feel reels or shorts are doing very well in terms of views and getting attracting traffic to your website. So maybe start with like 15 seconds or 30 seconds, so that you can improve your skills. Once you are faster, you can maybe try 1 minute or 2 minute videos also, and try whether that improves website. But reels and shorts are actually a good way. So let's start with maybe 15 seconds a reel. So I'm giving this, and I've asked the tool to generate a script. So it is taking time to generate the script, but you don't need to wait here. You can get you can do some other stuff. If you have, it will just automatically generate script here. I will also, meanwhile, maybe I can work on multiple projects also, so that I don't lose my time. See, but it has already generated the tool. So the see, this is walking as a simple yet powerful exercise. It's just a basic thing. Just keep 3 or 4 lines, so that it becomes very short. So now I like this. I'm like, okay, generate video from script. So I'm going to generate video from script. So it is asking me, okay, is this the same script? Yes. Do I want a transcript? Like I want a person with the voiceover? Yes. So this is the size that I've put, 1:1, which is like a square post. I can add subtitles here. So I've kept the basic one here. Now I'm giving generating video. So it will now just generate a video from the script. So see how simple is it. It might take some time, but meanwhile you can work on other things. Or if I want to create something, another script from basic, that is also very simple. So meanwhile we can do that. So now here I choose maybe YouTube size. And now, if you see, there are, just to explore the tool, there's a lot of options. So, my media, you can add subtitles, you can add transcript, you can add videos and images. So, the topic what I'm choosing is something like kids psychology. Okay. So, I just want to post very few uh, things. Short intro and three fun points why kids psychology is important. So, I will take maybe understanding the first line. So, I'll just put the, yeah, first I'll choose the videos first. So I'm putting kids. Okay. You can put a mix of videos and images. So I'm using this tool now. So I want to create a very short video, like maybe 4 seconds. So when you're placing it, like if you would like to play around, just play around with it, like the interval and all that. So when you choose this, you can just pull and drag in. So I'm putting zoom in, so that I don't want it to, have a background white space. Now I can use maybe this one. So you can add it in the same layer, or else you can put it separate layers. Separate layers is easier for us to understand, or you can just drag it here and put it in the same layer. So now after this video, this will get played. So again, it is in the same interval of 4 to 8 seconds. Now maybe I can use some kids images. So I have used that. Like I said, sometimes the tool is a bit slow, but still it's good enough for us to, play around. So I'm just zooming in. Now I'll add one more video, maybe kids, and I'll use this. So basically, you have to play around with the slider here. So where you place the slider, it will drop the video or whatever thing you're trying to drag and drop. It's basically a simple drag and drop. So this is now just the four slides that I have. Now I want to add the script. So I'm going to add the subtitles for it. So I'll just use these. I won't use the whole thing. I just want it simple. So I'll keep it here. So the first thing is going to be here, and maybe I will add a new subtitle line with, okay, nurturing future innovators. I like video editing, which is why I like to play around with it. But you actually don't need to spend a lot of time. You can use the script generator to create your videos while you're working on something else. But you can see how simple this is. So now if I put these 3 points, I'm done and I can just generate here. Okay. This is just a simple video, which I feel it's good enough for you to start with creating something, uh, you know, simple. So I think I have one more video. I'll just conclude it with something simple. So conclusion: kids psychology is not only fascinating, but it's, yeah. So I've just, it's just random, guys. Like you can just you know randomly choose topics, and it's just that you need to keep your channel or videos, I mean channel active, and sometimes just the images might not be enough. In conclusion, so yes, now I'm going to add an audio to it. They also have a lot of royalty free audio, so I'm just going to add something like, so just bring the slider here. So I want something to start from the beginning. So if I just click on this video, it will automatically get added. So now, so if you can see, you can see different layers. So there's a different layer for audio. So now you can even minimize this if you want to pull in, you want to see the outline. So I want to just stop the audio when my video finishes, right? So now let me just zoom in. So you can see the layers. When you zoom in and zoom out, you can see each layers. Yeah. So now we can just play the video and see how it goes if you want to play around. See, so now I can see that this uh, subtitle is taking a lot of space. So I will just remove, or I'll just try to. Kid psychology is not only fascinating but also nobody cares about like what is the text or anything. It's just a feel good thing what I'm doing here, but also and understanding the, okay. So I'm just putting I'm not sure whether it makes sense also. And also you can just play around. So if I want to put, if I see this, I want this to be in one line or two line, I can just, so the first one is in, sorry, it's the first after number one, it's in the next line. So I want to break this also into next line. Maybe I can just, no, that'll go to another page. uh so if I do this, it will go into the next line. So you can just play around with this however you want. So if you play around with it, it will take some more time for you to generate. Otherwise, this is decent enough for you to post. Now you can just export this project. It might take some time to export. You have various options here: MP4, GIF, PNG. If you want to post it on, if like if you don't want as an MP4, sometimes exporting like small things you can export as a GIF also. So I want us to export it as an MP4. It will take some time, but let it run. Meanwhile, the other video which we had put for generating script is ready. So if you see here, it has already generated the video, which is like, see, very simple. You just gave benefits of top walking as a topic, and it just generated a video from whatever collection it had of royalty free images and videos. Make sure that they are choosing basic version images, I mean royalty free images, or the uh, basic ones. Otherwise it will give here export, while exporting it will show you upgrade. And even if I think the content is like more than certain minutes, then it will be like, upgrade already. So always make it short. That is the best way. So see the video here, what it has generated. Let's go through that.
Walking is a simple yet powerful exercise that offers numerous benefits for both the body and mind. It helps improve cardiovascular health, maintain a healthy weight, and strengthen muscles and bones. Additionally, walking reduces stress, boosts mood, and enhances mental clarity. With no equipment required, it's an accessible and enjoyable way to stay fit.
See, it's a very
Walking
short
is a
video, and it has generated on its own. So you can just run the script behind, and you can go for your work, or come back later and check. It will be ready for you. And if you want to play around with images, some of the images you feel it's not good enough, you can always go back and change it and then export it once again. So this is very simple, guys. And if you don't want like long videos, I have also even created like one time gifs or some, like with just one image or one video, which you can just export like for your Insta social pages like this. I can just share that here. Yeah, so this is something which I created. So see, it's very simple to create very short videos. It can be like very few seconds, 15 seconds and all. The one which I showed you last, it's just one video, one heading or two headings, and you can just put a description and you can just post it to your social media. So in 15 minutes, I actually created, while doing this video, I created two videos. One was a script, video script, and the other one from, from scratch. So we can improve our video skills and start sharing and improve traffic to our website. uh, I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know your thoughts on this, guys. Take care, have a good day.